Welcome to my weblog. The purpose of this blog will be to create and share useful information in video form through experiences with my past and present projects. I hope you enjoy my videos. Does this look familiar? How many times have you seen an older home here in Bozeman with a sinking and sagging front concrete stoop? This situation is fairly typical and a somewhat intimidating fix for the average homeowner. In this case, the owners have decided that this unsightly monolith must go. We will replace it with a simple but more contemporary framed wood structure. This is a plan submitted to the building department showing the conditions as they are and what we will demo. This is the plan for the new wood framed deck and steps. These views are a progression of the project as it is planned. The foundation will be a footing below frost line depth with sonotube piers extending to the surface. After the plan was approved and a building permit was issued, we needed to remove the existing concrete. This is old hard concrete and a pneumatic jackhammer was needed. We were really pleased to see that the stoop was in fact hollow. This made demolition infinitely easier. It turns out that in the old days, stoops like this were formed and poured over hay bales. The hay bales decayed over time and left the void. Once the concrete was gone, we dug the footings and then used the pre-framed platform staked in place as a template to accurately and efficiently place our sonotubes. By setting up the frame in conjunction with the pour, we were way ahead of the game once the concrete cured over the weekend. A day later, the framing was complete. All of the railing and skirt material was pre-painted. A detail I want to mention is the importance of back priming joints when using composite materials such as Miratec. Just because the joint can't be seen doesn't mean it won't soak up moisture over time. This is a simple but important step. We now wet set our pre-constructed stair assembly into its supporting slab. At this point, we are set up to connect to the new walkway. Trex was installed on the deck surface. The railing was assembled, and our last step is to form and pour the connecting walkway. Our finished product is now a much safer entry deck that greatly increases the curb appeal of the home. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. I hope you find them helpful. You can find more information on my background in construction on the web at peterqbrown.com.